Inside of this box is a 1 million subscriber play button for a channel with 0 subscribers. Here's how we did it.
First step was to create a YouTube name. Let's not go overboard. We want to do something that kind of like looks real, but at the same time is not. So let's do something along the line, Jack Sucks, Rye Guy Rules. Perfect. Now, in order to make this work, we actually had to buy a couple other play buttons in a mass bulk order and try and trick YouTube into throwing in the Jack Sucks Rye Guy Rules play button with the actual real channel play button that we had shipped in. Okay, I've submitted the form. Now it's time to wait and see if I get it in the mail.
It's here. Logan, it's here. Here we go. Oh, do you know what this is?
What is it?
Do you know what this is? Guys, this is a really exciting day. This is a big day for all of us, every one of us here. Because in my hands right here is a 1 million subscriber play button. That's right, hold your applause for later, hold on, it's okay. So, we got a brand new gold play button, and best thing is, it's for a channel with 0 subscribers. Come on, give it to me everyone, let me hear it. I'm extremely thankful to each and every one of you for, Danny, what is that? What did I say about Minecraft swords in the meeting? We don't bring Minecraft swords to the meeting, Danny. Thank you everyone for coming. I'm so thankful for this moment to get 1 million subscribers on the Rye Guy Rocky channel. I can't wait to see this amazing 1 million subscriber play button. So let's go ahead and let's open.
What's happening?
I'm opening a play button.
In front of Nick dressed as a lobster, Danny DeVito with the goose sock, and all the others.
Well, it's Kermit the Baby and the poop emoji.
Did you set this up?
Yeah, of
Are
course.
you okay?
What's wrong? I'm showing off our new award to our audience.
What is happening?
Oh, the new 1 million subscriber.
But you already hit 1 million subscribers. We already have that play button.
It's great that you asked. Let me go ahead and show you our brand new channel. Jack Sucks, Rye Guy Rules, with a Z.
Oh wow. Okay. And what did we upload on this channel?
Actually, if you must know, this channel actually has 0 subs.
Wow. Then how? Babe, this isn't making sense.
That's right. We got a 1 million subscriber play button for a channel that has 0 subscribers. It took all 0 seconds of effort to get it too. It did cost me $450 though.
Ryan!
So why did we do this? Why did we spend $450 to get a gold play button that says Jack Sucks, Rye Guy Rules, and how did we do it? And why did we do it? Well, the why is very simple. I saw a ton of videos of people attempting to get fake gold play buttons with channels that didn't exist, and no one was getting them. Everyone was getting real channels, and they would autocorrect it. We ordered multiple play buttons so we could hopefully trick them into sending us a fake channel. We're gonna be doing something with this play button, and you're probably wondering about the name. I'm sure some of you have heard of the YouTuber called Jack Sucks at Life. He does videos all across the board between Minecraft, and he does a lot of stuff specifically with play buttons and has a play button collection. And so we're gonna go ahead, we are going to hydro dip this play button in another video, in the next video actually. We're gonna hydro dip that play button and mail it off to Jack. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. It was not easy to get this thing, so I really need you guys to do me a favor and share this video around. Not only did it cost me $450 extra to get this play button, it's also very expensive to hydro dip it, so share it around. Make sure you leave a like. Also, check out Jack's channel, linked in the description down below, because Jack's a cool lad. So
And go subscribe to that channel.
and subscribe to this channel, also linked in the description. Actually, top line of the description down below. I don't know if we'll ever even upload on this channel, but we might. So, what should I say?